Good evening, myself Kriti. Today TTL topic is composite function. So, F is to A to C, అయితే G is to B to C. Then G of circle is A to C. G of circle or A to C and also same as F of circle is B to C. F of circle is B to C. Let's go to example. Given F of x is 3x square plus 2 and G of x is 3x square 3x minus 5. Then find G of circle F of 2 and F of circle G minus 2. Now G of circle there is formula G of F of x. So x G of circle 2 3x square plus 2 x value 2 కాబట్టి x లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకున్నాం. సో G of 3 into 2 square plus 2 G of 3 into 4 plus 16. So 16 అనేది G of x కి వస్తుంది. Okay, 14 G of 14 G of x G of x అంటే ఇక్కడ 3x minus 5. So 3 14 minus 5 3 of 14 into 3 42 minus 5 37. So G of circle 5 into 2 value is 37. Then F of circle minus 2 formula F of G of x. Sorry, G of 2 kada value minus 2. G of x minus 2 F of minus 11 F of